Hello friend, in this video we will see operations on dataset. In this example we will consider air quality datasets and we will perform important operations as error detection and correction, data summary, data cleaning and data transformation operations. So first of all we will check the directory, current working directory, check and set current working directory. Then we will see the data set. Here we are using air quality data set. So air quality data set, we will see head of the air quality data set. It is having columns as ozone, solar R, wind, temperature, month and day. Then to find to do error detection and error correction, first of all we will try to find mean of air quality ozone, mean of ozone for this ozone column. So if you observe entries in the ozone, there is one entry of Na. As it is there, so overall mean is considered as Na. If we try to correct this error, we modify it mean for air quality $ozone Na dot rm, means remove Na. Then it shows the mean of this particular air quality ozone column. Suppose if we check the solar dot r, there is also entry for Na. If we are trying to find the max of this solar dot r, it will show us Na. But if we remove this Na, then it will show us the maximum value for solar R, that is 334. Now we will find the summary of all the columns of air quality data set. Like summary is shown as minimum, first quadrant value, median, mean, third quadrant value, maximum and NH for respective columns, as these 6 are the columns for this particular data set. Now we will see data cleaning. Means data cleaning, we are here in the example we are removing the NH. So in one variable air we are storing the data set, whole data set, air quality. Then air ozone equal to each dot Na air ozone, then median, to find the median remove Na and then save it. This is the if file, if else statement. So then we are trying to find the summary of air. Here if we check that as we removed Na, then it is showing the summary of air without NH. Same as in the previous, while executing previous statement, we already checked that solar is also having entries for Na. We are removing that entry and then finding the summary for solar R. Then summary of air, it is removing the NH from solar R also. Now we will see data transformation. Here in the example, first of all we are printing head of air, then we are using one extra column, that solar dot r dot danger, if that solar dot r is greater than 100, means that particular value solar dot r value is greater than 100, then we are consider it as a danger. Okay. So with this here, this statement we assign the conditions and then we are printing the head of air. Okay. So this value is greater than 100, so it is danger. Same wise all the values are greater than 100, so all becomes true. Now in the data transformation we can assign the breaks in the values, and same thing we are assigning the breaks as 0 to 50, 50 to 100, 150, 200, 250, like 350. These breaks are assigned with function C, and it is assigned on the value solar.r cut here $solar.r breaks and include lowest is equal to true. So, and if we print it, so initially this value is 190, so it is in between 150 to 200. Second value is 118, so it is between 100 to 150 likewise. Now this year we are saving it another variable, that is year 1, and here what we have done, we instead of printing the month number, we are assigning the month name as 5 with the help of gsub function. 5 is replace it with the May, 6 with June, likewise 9 for September in the year 1 dollar month column. So we'll execute this statement gsub function and assign the values likewise and print the header. Now this month May gets replaced by this, and if we print whole, here we are just printing head, if we print the whole function, it will replace all the months number by the month name. Okay, these are the today's functions we learn about this data set. Thank you.